In the design department, we essentially get the outline of the garden and start piecing together the pieces of the jigsaw, and that just comes from experience of building the gardens that we've done over the years. Once the design has been put together, we draw up a set of 3D renders as well, and then I'll produce the design and present it to the client, who can then see how it's going to all come together. It's looking at the client's face when I present the garden for the first time. Obviously, they have no idea of how the garden's going to look, and it often looks, I get feedback regularly that it's far more than they thought would be possible within the space, and that's where good design comes in. And so when you see that on their eyes, the realisation, wow, this could be mine, it's fantastic.